Hey everyone, Allison here. Um, I got a couple things from Amazon. I kind of have an idea of what it is because I kind of forgot what it was that I ordered. I didn't want to go look because tomorrow is my anniversary and then the 14th is my birthday. So I kind of got myself a little something something. Anyhow, so let's take a look and see because I'm really curious. Okay. Oh, okay. This is some add-ons for one of my card makers that I've got. I posted a picture of one that I made the other day on my Instagram and I think Facebook too, and Twitter. I kind of just sent it to all three of them. Wow, whoops, I bumped down. Okay, oh, I got some mini brads, because the only ones at the store I could find were these, and they're a bit too big, so I got these mini ones, so that'll work better on the cards. And then, open this. Oh! Enchanted Faces, Mermaids, Fairies, and Fantasy Coloring Book. 50 pages. Oh, wow. Oh, I like that one. Oh, this is gonna be, ooh. Oh, this is gonna be so much fun. So I got some markers, the Ohuhu markers, and I wanted to, because I love to color, so I ordered a few books. Oh, I really like that one. Wow. Aw, look at that. So cute. Look at the turtle. Oh my gosh, too adorable. Anyhow, this is just one of the few books that I got. But like I said, my anniversary is tomorrow and then my birthday's on the 14th, so I just thought I'd get me a couple of things. But yep, that's it. If I can find, I think I put it up, but here's a cutout though. This right here is what would go right here, if that makes any sense. So, anywho, alright, you guys, this is a really short video, so I'm gonna let you guys go. I love y'all, and I hope you're having a wonderful day. And I will see you next time. As always, smile. Bye.